Hi guys, Cameron here from Cameron's Transport Channel. Welcome to another video. Today we are on board going Office 5204 rare on 309 12 inches. One of the branded, well, one of the buses getting repainted. Short scanias are going with a person. So I'm going to quickly to Brody because I left something from school and a reaver bus, but my bus side left on isn't in yet. So I need to go back. I'm just doing a short trip to waste time and get then 1767 as it is will be in. That's why I left it on. Horrible thing. 1767. Finally got it. Just been off a bad bus station. It's got a bad bus station though. And we filmed a bit late. I need to delete stuff to make room. Jesus, now I got one halfway up the bus for a bell. No, not. Just metaphorically, like. I like this bus. I'm soon to be withdrawn. Ooh, there's got three, so there should be this 5201, which I seen on Saturday was on 5206. I don't know what else. It's another float scania. Thank you, enjoy your day. Enjoy. Ooh, God, that mirror. That mirror will catch anyone in its path. It is born to eliminate. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.